Today I want to show you how to make Kataifi dough, one of the most popular ingredients for Dubai chocolate. However, do you know that the classic Dubai chocolate that contains Kataifi has white flour, it's gluten, cornstarch, it's processed ingredient, and seed oil. Today I will show you how to make Kataifi with the healthy ingredients. Let's make healthy, gluten-free, no starch added Kataifi dough. To make a Kataifi dough, we will be using just two ingredients, and there is no white flour, there is no starches or other different oils or whatever it is inside of this dough. So here you are. I have two types of flours. One of them the rice flour. If you can find a brown rice flour, it would be amazing, or you can use any of them. And then you have not a big quantity of buckwheat flour. I will be using my homemade sprouted buckwheat flour. You have a recipe here. Why? Because when you make it sprouted and homemade, you don't have such a specific aftertaste from buckwheat. But please feel free to find ready to go prepared, packed in the store buckwheat flour. It will be also amazing in this recipe. Also, you can substitute this flour with the quinoa flour, homemade. Also, I have a recipe here. It is also sprouted homemade quinoa flour, or you can buy it from the store. You can use a millet flour if you can find it in the store, and so that's it. You can make a mix of these flours that I just mentioned in such quantity. And also we will need just a water, no milk, no plant-based nut milk, because it's fats, and we need to get at the end a crunchy texture of real Kataifi dough, but without gluten and other not nice ingredients. So I will be doing, and I will be mixing everything into the food processor. And I recommend you to do it as well, but anyway, you can do it with a whisk as well. But to prevent different lumps and pieces, so a food processor would work. Blender also would work. Hand blender also would work here. Let's sieve our flours. Big pieces that you have here, let's discard. And now my buckwheat flour. We adding water, and let's blend it for 1 minute. That is all. We need a tall glass and a piping bag. Yes, I expect that you have a piping bag, because anyway, if you decided to make Kataifi dough from scratch without white flour, it means you are not a very beginner in the pastry. You already made a few cakes by yourself, right? Yeah, but anyway, piping bag would help you a lot. You will see this in the process right now. And we pour our butter here. Now we need a stove, so we will be making this dough with a flat and the biggest skillet that you have into your kitchen. So find something like really big. You see how big this one. You need a plate where you will put your Kataifi dough. I have some coconut oil to start, so my dough will not be sticky when I will be removing it, but you can simply avoid any oils if you want. Let's preheat our skillet on the medium like temperature, something like this. Also, I need to put here a cutting board, my knife. Once we make a dough, we put it here to cool down, and before became completely cool, like at room temperature, while they are still warm, we will need to cut it into small pieces. So in this case, we will have a nice same size Kataifi of dough.